The U.S. Supreme Court on Friday preserved the country's access to the widely used abortion pill MIFEPRISTONE, blocking new restrictions set by lower courts. The move delivers a small victory to reproductive rights advocates, as well as to President Joe Biden's administration, as it defends broad access to the drug in the United States. In a 7-2 decision, the top court granted emergency requests by the Justice Department and the pill's maker to halt a preliminary injunction issued by a Texas district judge on April 7th, and later amended by an appeals court. The injunction would have greatly limited the availability of MIFEPRISTONE, while a lawsuit goes on over the pill's federal regulatory approval, brought by anti-abortion medical groups against the Food and Drug Administration. As the injunction battle goes back to the appeals court in mid-May, several separate legal fights are going on surrounding MIFEPRISTONE. Harvard Assistant Professor of Medicine Amit Saparari called it a complex litigation puzzle that could have serious implications on the integrity of the FDA.
If for some reason the court were to accept and uphold the decision as it was issued by the Texas court, that would really represent an unprecedented intrusion into FDA's approval and decision-making process. And if that were to happen, then I think you would see more judicial interference into the FDA approval process, and that would seriously threaten the integrity of the FDA.
In a statement, Biden said, quote, "As a result of the Supreme Court's stay, MIFEPRISTONE remains available and approved for safe and effective use while we continue this fight in the courts," and added that he would continue to fight politically driven attacks on women's health.